We're gonna see some ghosts.
We gotta find the creepy stuff.
Oh, there's a spider on there.
Locate
That's
it for when it
creepy.
gets dark and we know where to go.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're at Lone Fir Cemetery. It's a haunted cemetery in Portland.
Gonna see some ghosts.
That's what they say. Don't you feel like every cemetery says it's haunted?
Well, it's gotta be. It's got a bunch of dead bodies.
Yeah.
So I feel like
You bury dead bodies, the
there's
ghosts show up.
There's ghosts.
Maybe it's old and that's why
It's old. Well, if it also has the extra level of all the unnamed bodies, right?
Yeah. Oh, right. Yeah, all the Chinese immigrants.
So a bunch of Chinese immigrants were buried here with no grave sites, no nothing. So they could definitely be lurking
father and mother.
and
Chloe
haunting
found
the joint.
Chloe found a cat.
Of course, she found a cat.
We're gonna see the cat.
It's really just a, what are they called?
Spirits?
A spirit. But yeah, no, but like it's a dead cat. They just don't know it. Basically, it's a ghost. It's a ghost cat.
He's got a collar.
Graveyard cat.
Graveyard cat.
Is it really here?
We just saw it walking by.
Of course there's a cat, but is it really a cat that's living? At night it turns into just... Just to get a little daylight action of where the immigrants and it sounds like people from an insane asylum. Do you know which one?
I think that it was the Oregon State.
Oregon
it used
State.
to be in Portland. It was between, I think, Hawthorne and Belmont. They weren't Hawthorne and Belmont when it was there, but it's since torn down. But they were burying people over here as well as all the Chinese immigrants, and it's really just a blank field. So obviously you can see that there would be some unrest.
Definitely ghost over there.
Yeah.
Definitely. I mean, because you don't even know who they are there at this point, so they weren't laid to rest. Oh, that's kind of...
It's like some true detective shit.
He's also buried here.
So behind us is the Block 14, as they call it, where all the immigrants and Oregon Asylum folks were buried. There are more than 200 people. It's crazy. Let me turn you around here. Like a soccer field. So we're gonna walk around, scope it. We got about 40 minutes until sunset. So we're supposed to leave at sunset, but I think we're gonna hold down the fort.
We're holding down the fort.
What is that? Ghost. Scary. Just trying to create the mood.
I was watching Evil series on Netflix. Definitely about some exorcisms. Not as scary as I thought it would be, but definitely setting the tone before I came over.
Get in the mood.
Getting in the mood.
We'll check you back after sundown.
It's gonna be scary. Well, you want to be a fucking, yeah, you want the cool, like, doors, the not mythical, like, little mythical. Is what I was going for. If I was going right, the doors I got like $7 and they're pretty fucking cool and they're red. So definitely green, but if I was going as the devil, I would have got these other ones that I centered that were so cool.
Your shadow scared me so bad just now.
Ooh. Oh, I should have worn my horn.
So the sun went down and it's pretty dark, especially with this light on our face, but we're near the first people that were buried here. It's kind of where we started.
Are we gonna check it out in the dark? No? Okay.
Definitely have to input a picture.
Now we're just kind of walking around.
Spooky water bottle.
checking the sites. It's pretty creepy.
Yeah.
And now some of the people have cleared out.
Yeah, what's person and what's things?
Sheesh.
Sure. Oh, shit. Don't.
I think there is a person. I can't tell if it's a ghost or a person.
Yeah, I think that crowd of people's still over
I'm
there.
scared.
Oh,
Somebody-
Someone's behind us.
We've got to lead the way.
Chloe,
I shouldn't be holding the flashlight.
here, give me the flashlight. You want me to
Okay.
hold it? There's
Yeah.
definitely some people over here in between the trees.
I'm scared right now. Dad, I don't know if you're gonna include our friend.
Oh, I smell a little marijuana. I didn't know that was part of a seance, but it must be.
Do you have a flashlight?
Me?
We're not filming.
That was gold.
It was gold. I hope I got it. It's hard to tell. Oh, there's the feathers. That's terrifying. Do you want me to hold the flashlight?
No, just keep it pointed where the camera's looking. So,
We never did look into what this was. Definitely creepy. Oh, it's eerie. Okay, I do feel like it's gotten foggy in here. Definitely
Yeah,
different.
Maybe.
Like it was a
Yeah.
clear day, it's foggy. Or am I tripping?
giggling.
Ghost person.
The beans. Whoopsie daisies. That was the spirit. Go crop dust their seance.
Oh, geez.
It's probably the flashlight lighting is what it is. But I swear it looks a little murky out as where it was like a pretty clear day of us coming in here.
Yeah, that seems legit foggy.
It does. Like all of a sudden a clear day and it seems foggy in here. And that's like no lie. Like it's foggy in here. Oh look, is that another seance? Oh, turn it off real quick. Turn it off. Turn it off.
Oh, there's a car coming. We're gonna hide.
Turn off the light. The flashlight. Turn it off. They're gonna see where we're gonna hide. Where are we gonna
What are they
hide?
gonna do? There's no hiding.
Shit.
Oh, there's somebody over at that building too.
Let's go
What
hang out
about
with them.
hiding?
Oh, they got a lantern.
They're brothers. Let's go.
Go this way. Go right.
They're our fellow ghost brothers. Where are we going?
We're lost. We don't know where we're going.
Why are we going to the house?
The flashlight. They're gonna. Hide on this bench. Just sit here quietly.
Okay.
Because that way it won't seem like we're trying to hide.
Okay.
We're hiding from the car.
We gotta turn this off. Somebody's coming. Just too many fucking people for it to be haunted.
Chloe's a dick.
That's funny.
Keep it in. Keep
So,
it in.
lesson learned: when you got the light on your face, you can't actually see where you're walking.
Tripped over an entity. I think it's spirit.
I think it's
grabbed your
spirit.
leg.
Yeah, stuck its
The
leg
spirit
out.
grabbed my
Jumped
leg.
up and bit me.
Yeah. That is what
Typical Bostic fashion. I'd say this is a really cool, we're gonna go walk up to that house thing, but this is a cool cemetery, but there's just too many people.
Definitely
we-
more of a park vibe.
Yeah, we came
Yeah.
across some weird music video.
Right.
It was
Bit
cool.
of latex clothing.
Yeah.
They looked cute.
I think she was dressed as Wednesday. She had
Yeah,
the
they
pink
did. They looked
clothes.
like latex Wednesdays. They were super cute. But definitely
Gonna have to
takes
find
from
a
the vibe when it's so heavily populated.
more remote spot. You know, COVID's got it, so we can't actually check out any haunted buildings. So we're really only left with outdoor things.
Approaching the houses.
All right, we're coming among the haunted house thing. It's weird because the window looks even creepier at night, but it almost looks like an old ass sheet behind there during the day.
Yeah, this is sus.
The gates
And
are
then the
open.
little
Open.
statues to the
Oh,
right
Christ.
definitely looked like it was dripping something kind of, well, not
Oh,
out
there's
of
the bodies
eye.
in there. Oh, God.
Oh, there's bodies.
Oh, please.
But the statue looks like there's like tears
Oh, my
coming
gosh.
down out of him, but it looks like it's just where it's kind of like cracked.
Cemetery? You want to see your people? Go back to those people? You like it out here?
There's a little kitty, huh?
We got places to be, kitty. So do you. I don't
Holding
know.
down the fort.
He's the guardian. He watches over them.
Pretty hard to fucking go back on that without them trashing the thing, scraping shit up.
Oh, a spooky adventure we have.
Definitely got a fog out of nowhere.
Oh, sus.
Some of the stuff. I like the weather being like a